Suzuki MMT with problem. I took it to repair and I need to arrive at my workshop, so I'm drive in the manual mode first, second, we'll drive on second, red light, no gas. It's not Toyota, but the same system. It's system by Aisin. Оп, 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 come on, давай, come on, yes, second, and this enough. Oh, I see green light and then red light. Up, green line. Let's make some speed. And then red light. Up. Let's do some brake. Oh, green light. Some gas. Так, what is this? This is the Opel. Opel want to turn to the right. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Suzuki. And I see red light. Let's make some brake. Green and then red. Oh, it start green. Make some gas. Up, no. Up. Oh, guys. Come on. Ah, no, it's okay. Come on, peoples. Oppa, look at this. And it will turn to the first gear, I'm sure. Okay. So I'm arrived on the second gear to my base. Second, first. only one time I'm used the third gear. And moment. Look at this. What is this? Wow! Toyota MMT. Yes, it's the next one. And yes, I'm a rivet. Wow, what is this? Toyota Auris MMT. Yeah. And look what we have. What we have in this car. It's not Toyota, but where is it? Let's check. This, it's Suzuki Swift. Look at this. Look. Yeah, baby, huh? Suzuka. Different engine, but what? The same clutch actuator, you see? Clutch actuator, Toyota Yaris, Toyota Aigo. So let's check this car and we will repair it.